Okay, tuloy natin. So makita natin, no, given SIPS position. Ayun, binasa ko na kanina yan. Ayan, no, oras, local time, at saka yung date. Ayan yung latitude niya, longitude, gyro compass course. And then you have the speed. Ayan. So this is the manual solution for the dead reckoning position in reference to the problem above. Okay. So, required DR time on the next day is February 29. Kasi year 2020 tayo, mayroong ano to, ato ngayon, leap year, may 29. So, 11:30 ang yan na ang required time, DR time, required DR time on the next day, February 29, 11 hours 30 minutes kinabukasan. So, SIPS position, February 28, ayan, ito yun. February 28 is 12:42 hours. Nakikita nyo, 12:42 hours. Ayan. So, i-minus mo yung dalawa na yan, no? Then you will have the time interval. So, minus 11 minus 12 hours 42 minutes. So cannot be, you have to borrow one day, no? Kaya magiging ang time interval yan is 22 hours 48 minutes. Yan ang from the position of February 28 hanggang doon sa required na DR 11:30 kinabukasan, 22 hours 48. But on the evening, nabanggit na dyan, no? On the evening, same date, the SIP advance 1 hour. Kaya makita nyo, mayroon tayong 1 hour, nag-advance siya. So, the time interval or the total steaming time is magiging 21 na lang. 21 hours 48. Kung natandaan nyo, no, pag nasa barko na kayo, minsan gumagawa ng non-report sa segundo, total steaming time, 25 hours. Magtaka ka bakit 25 hours yan? Kasi nag-retard, nag-atras ng isang oras. Nag-retard ng 1 hour, kaya nagiging 25 hours ang steaming ng buong araw na yun. Kinabukasan paggawa niya ng non-report. Ito, isang example to, ito naman, nag-advance, no? Kaya minsan sa report ni Segundo mayroong total steaming time 23 hours lang, hindi nakarating sa 24. Bakit? Nag-advance siya ng 1 hour, so minus 1 hour nagiging 23 hours. In this problem, makita nyo 22 hours 48. So minus mo ng 1, ito yung total steaming time, 21 hours 48. And then you multiply that, no? Kasi ang formula niyan, distance equals rate times time. Yan ang ano diyan, formula. So i-multiply mo yan, no? 14.8, yun ang speed niya 14.8, ayan. Times 21.8 na yan. Okay? And then ayan, makita mo na.